What is Roe v. Wade? Imagine a time when the rights of women to make decisions about their own bodies were not guaranteed by law. In the early 1970s, this was the reality in the United States. The case of Roe v. Wade emerged as a landmark legal battle that would change the landscape of reproductive rights forever. In 1970, a woman named Norma McCorvey, who was known by the legal pseudonym Jane Roe, filed a lawsuit against Henry Wade, the district attorney of Dallas County, Texas. McCorvey was seeking the right to terminate her pregnancy, which was illegal in Texas except in cases where the mother's life was at risk. Her case challenged the constitutionality of the Texas laws that restricted access to abortion. The case made its way to the Supreme Court of the United States, which heard arguments in 1971 and 1972. On January 22, 1973, the court issued a 7-2 decision in favor of Roe. The ruling stated that the right to privacy, as implied by the Due Process Clause of the 14th Amendment, extends to a woman's decision to have an abortion. However, the court also established a framework that balanced this right against the state's interests in regulating abortions, dividing pregnancy into 3 trimesters. During the first trimester, the court ruled that the decision to have an abortion should be left to the woman and her physician. In the second trimester, the state could impose regulations related to maternal health. By the third trimester, once the fetus reached viability, the state could restrict abortions, except when necessary to protect the woman's life or health. Roe v. Wade set a precedent that influenced abortion laws and women's rights for decades. It sparked ongoing debates and legal challenges, leading to various state laws and Supreme Court cases that sought to either uphold or overturn the decision. The ruling was seen as a significant moment in the fight for women's rights, but it also ignited a passionate and polarized national conversation about abortion that continues to this day. In summary, Roe v. Wade was not just a legal case. It was a pivotal moment in American history that shaped the rights of women and the ongoing discourse surrounding reproductive health.